Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York on Wednesday, 18th day of June, 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold has certainly had a volatile week. After the rise on Friday, the record opening price on Monday as geopolitical tensions drove gold to record highs before initiating a sharp retreat. Although today, the Federal Reserve concluded the latest FOMC meeting, keeping interest rates at their current level, that did not seem to be the largest force within gold's price change. Rather, it was the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran. Although the dollar was fractionally higher, up 0.05%, it seems that market participants bidding gold lower had the vast majority of market forces today taking gold lower during the session. The last couple of trading days have been volatile to say the least, after gold surged $46 on Friday and closed at the all-time record closing price of $3,452.90. On Monday, gold opened significantly higher at $3,473, consolidated yesterday and continued the drop today, giving up $20.10. That before the markets reopened in Australia, gaining back about $5. The most current fix on August gold is below $3,400 at $3,391.30. The question now becomes, will this sell-off continue? Realize that on Friday we had the highest closing price on record. On Monday we had the highest opening price on record, although it resulted in a sharp sell-off. Gold is now trading under $3,400 per ounce. Will gold recover and move back higher or continue to correct? If the correction continues, I do not foresee a deeper correction than the 38.2% fib retracement at around $3,340. If we see gold recuperate, we should easily go and retest at least $3,450. But realize, traders, all of that is contingent upon what goes on in terms of the geopolitical conflict in Iran and trade policies. Those combined will guide the future direction of gold. I don't believe it will be technicals, although I do believe the sell-off that we have seen so far this week was technically based and due to profit taking.
Silver is back below $37 today after declining 1.13%. It had broken above $37 yesterday, reaching a high of $37.33. Yesterday's climb was noteworthy not only because it was the highest price silver has seen in 12 years, but also because it happened on a day when gold showed relatively little to nil action. I've gone ahead and put gold up on the same chart. Silver has been moving independently from gold ever since these 3 consecutive green candles that began on Thursday, June 5th. And as you can see, the rise yesterday that took silver above $37 occurred when gold printed a doji. All in all, silver's future remains bright with underlying fundamentals still increasingly bullish. We still have the supply deficit, although it's narrowed down to around 21%. We have more and more silver being used, especially in renewable energy, and we finally have a little bit of safe haven demand coming in as traders seek alternatives to gold since gold is at such an elevated price. I expect to see silver continue higher, at least to $40, and possibly much higher than that.
This has been Gary Wagner
And Joseph Wagner.
wishing you, as always, good trading.
We'll talk to you tomorrow for our next video report.
Bye-bye.